Hi guys, I'm Yesenia Hipolito, and the day of today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this super nice natural brow with my favorite e.l.f. Cosmetics products. So if you guys want to learn how I got this look, then please keep watching. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and get started with our Ultra Precisely Brow Pencil. You guys know that I absolutely love this, and we're just going to go ahead and brush our hair up. And this is just going to help us so we could really see like where the hair is and where we kind of like want it to land. So we're going to be taking strokes like this. And this has a really nice formula. I absolutely love it because it just kind of glides on. And while it is very pigmented, it doesn't really stain the brow, if you would. So I really like it to just do light strokes up top, and this just gives you a very like natural hair-like stroke. And so as you can see, I'm taking turns kind of like brushing out the hair because while we brush it out, we kind of want to make sure that it stays as natural as possible. Alright, so for my next product, I'm going to be using the Flawless Concealer in the shade Light Peach, and I'm going to be taking my small precision brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and take some on my hand. Alright, so I'm going to take my small precision brush, and this is going to help to really define that brow and just clean it up to give us that nice like wing. And so even though we have a really like nice natural brow, that's just going to help really like define it and make it look really clean but really natural at the same time. Now we're going to be going in with the clear brow gel, and this is going to help for our eyebrows to really stay, and this is super important whenever you're doing a very nice like natural brow because you really want it to stay, but at the same time you want it to look natural without moving out of place. So we're just going to go ahead and go up here and take nice little strokes up. And this is really going to help for our eyebrow to just stay in place all day. Before, I used to not use a brow gel, and then when I started using one, I couldn't believe that I hadn't used one before because this really just finishes off the look. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I hope to see those nice natural brows out on the streets. If you do decide to do this look, be sure that you tag e.l.f. Cosmetics so we can go check it out.